All right, we got this amazing corduroy sofa. I'm gonna be straight up, dude. This is so innovative. I actually cannot believe how comfortable this is, especially given the value. This is an insane value. And it comes in, I wish I would have shown myself taking it out of the box because the box is super small. Super small. You pull it out of the box, you cut it open, and it opens up into this couch. You don't need to do anything. Didn't need to install it, didn't need to put it together at all. You open it up, it's ready to go. And pretty light, but super comfortable all throughout. Nice and cushiony, the armrests, the backrests. It's also very sturdy at the same time. So, and just for reference, I'm about 5'11", and it goes up to a little bit above my knee, I guess like my thigh area, right here on the armrests, but super comfortable. It comes with this pillow. I like the nice corduroy vibe. Corduroy. Very nice material, nice texture. But all in all, my favorite part about it is just how comfortable it is, how easy it was to set up. And I mean, I picture this like great for like a dorm room. I picture this like a great college couch. But straight up, dude, this is a couch. Like I could picture this if you like travel a lot and you just want a couch with you. Dude, this is it, dude. So this thing's amazing. Highly recommend.